Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy back again, boy, and today we are van hard in the heart of Paris, baby.
What a wonderful, quiet, and relaxing atmosphere.
These people make coffee a whole personality, and I'm here for it.
Paris at night feels like a movie. I'm the star. I'm the star. Woo. Oh, it's so peaceful here.
I feel smarter just being here, not gonna lie. Every corner up here looks like a painting.
Yo, this is actually fire?
This crepe might have changed my whole DNA.
These folks dress like every day's a runway. I'm underdressed.
Taking a moment to vibe with nature tollway, Paris style.
Who gave me wheels in Paris? Dangerous.
Yo, they were not playing with luxury out here.
So I think I got the map, but I'm not sure I am going the right way.
This place is so expensive. I'm not paying 500 euros for that little keychain.
This tiny cookie just punched my soul with flavor.
Man, it just feels so unreal, like I'm in a dream.
One!
The first architectural elements were built in the 12th century.
Smells like feet. Tastes like heaven.
Paris, you've been real. Until next time came, your gorilla's out.